What up? Haven't did this in a minute. I want to read some shit, some stuff I've been working on. Just give me your feedback. Tell me what y'all think. I ain't dropping CDs no more. Just want to write lyrics for people. So, feel like you want to buy this shit, hit me up. Alright, check it out. It's called Yeah That. A lot of people love it. There's no beat, so, you know, imagine. Like, yeah that. You know the chain hang low. Cartier Cohans, wrist stay froze, yeah that, huh? Too authentic in the beans. Windows roll down, thrash blowing in the wind, yeah that, huh? I got your girl pussy wet, blowing up my phone and she begging for the sex, yeah that, huh? See, you don't want them problems. Keep talking reckless and bitch, I'm gonna solve them. Yeah, 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 yeah that, yeah that. They call me where it's at. I can show you many ways how to get stacks, yeah that, huh? So many have done it, but none can't do it quite like I run it, yeah that, huh? So define me as best, better yet, classify me above the rest, yeah that, huh? Everything authentic, foreign whip, foreign style, for I'm in it, ha. And these girls go cuckoo, panties dripping off cause I'm not what they used to, I got her knees by her neck and she telling me it's mine while you wonder what she's at, yup, blowing thrax in the yays, unorthodox in what I do what I say, and that phone stay slapping. I would say more, but they might be tracking. Yeah, so I keep it on the low. Never tell another man more than he should know. That's how the rims stay glisten. Different color cars, man. That's how I like my women. Yup. And if you see me come through, dog, watch what you say. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. Anyway, probably gonna switch up that last part 'cause I don't know if I like it too much. Anyway, that's yeah that. Holla at your boy.